Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar. I am back with another video. In this particular video, I will be talking about one query that I regularly get through LinkedIn or Instagram messages, which is why I chose to work for Summer of Code during my third year internship and not the typical internship that we get usually through the college placement. So guess what? What could be the reason? It's pretty simple. I did not get opportunity for any of the company. I was mostly rejected. So that was very hard time because almost 50% of my batchmates were having an internship during summer, and I was feeling very bad about my performance. Um, I'm sorry if you guys wanted to have some genius answer, but yeah, that is true. So, what went well with Summer of Code? Well, I was not that good for in the competitive programming, but I attended most of the workshop that was organized in my college time. Um, I was in NIT Warangal, so I got opportunity to join some events and workshop which is organized by Firefox. Some of them were organized by Microsoft and Google developer group as well. And they showed me two paths. One is competitive programming, DSL Go, and solve all the story-based questions in lead code or Spose or CodeShell. And the other workshop were mostly about solving real world problems through working on open source projects, softwares, and collaborating with communities like Firefox. Some of them were organized by Firefox, which was pretty interesting because they were solving some real world problems in the browser level. Um, and I got to know about GitHub, and many open source tools, right? Like VLC is also open source. And yeah, I was using Kali Linux, Ubuntu, so it was pretty um, interesting, right? So, and it was almost like October, November when I started thinking about Summer of Code and got to know that they pay well during during the coding period, which is around April, May to August and September. So, how one should get into that? So, so not very tough. Basically, you have to prepare well. You need to understand what project suits you, which is your interest area. And I had created multiple videos, which might get old, and some of the LinkedIn posts, which is also very big. So the summary is first you have to choose the organization, which org you are interested in. Second, the project, um, what is your strong area and what is your interest area. Let's say you are in AI/ML, so you choose some of the projects related to AI/ML. Some of us are interested in scientific computing, so choose a scientific computing or computation part. Some of them are like vision, like visualization part, right? Visualization tools. So you have to go through all the project that was selected last year. That is pretty helpful to understand which all get listed in this year Summer of Code. And then you once get the project, you understand the problem statement, you discuss your approach to the mentors, understand mentors and developers approach to solve that particular problem, discuss with them, draft a project proposal, and once it is reviewed well, you submit it into the portal as per the timeline. I also want to talk about how you should structure your project submission so that there higher chance to get selected. I will talk about it in next video. If you are interested to know about my journey, you can find my my projects in the past program, let's archive site, let's say it is 2016, right? I was in SimPy. So in SimPy, my project was in the SolSet module. This is the abstract about that particular project. And in 2017, I worked for Ruby Science Foundation. So let's say Ruby Science Foundation. And then you can find my project somewhere. So this is 2016. Okay, let's say 2017. So Ruby Science Foundation, and then some projects there. So here's my one, which is related to visualization tool. This is the abstract, and if you want to know more content and the report what I did each of the weeks, then I have blog posts. You can simply go to summer.shikarajit.github.io, and so reports are there. Basically, every week I used to write down what are the PRs I worked on, what are the problem statement my approach, other people who are working on that particular project was their approach, which is the solution we identify and how we tackle the problems. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment it down, and you can also text me in LinkedIn. I will be happy to help.